The Draper screwdriver range offers something for everyone, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, professional or specialist user. All Draper screwdrivers are made from chrome vanadium steel, correctly hardened and tempered, and are manufactured in accordance with the relevant standards. The ergonomically designed grips help the user apply more torque to the working tip when tightening or loosening screws or fixings without causing discomfort or damage. Most of our screwdrivers are available individually or in sets.